Okay, engagement. Since ang mga estudyante manggod ang naay control sa ilang learning, naay possibility na, no, there is a big possibility that mas ma-engage sila because when making the, let's say, objectives, naaman sila, you are going to consider their also their preferences and their wants. So, mas ma-engage ang mga estudyante. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
Tiffany, did you understand? Okay. Now, self-regulation. This is where the students become independent because they are going to track their development. Where are they now? They are na apart. Ginapromote na ang independency since this is self-directed learning. Ang mahitabuan nino, sila na mismo ang muliho. But with the guide of the teachers, but dili na sila manduhan sa teachers ganina. Kaniya yung himuon, kaniya yung himuon. It's just a guide. Right, Castro? Okay. Now, the initiative, again, since this is self-directed learning, this helps students to become independent. Kung dili pa na ako, dili na sila need manduhan, which is na sila initiative to make their own learning. Right, Leia? Right? Okay. Now, here are the guidelines, no, in conducting self-directed learning. The teacher, I first read it out loud na lang since you can see it naman, di ba, Jamaica? First is the teacher establishes high expectation. Basically, when teacher establishes high expectations sa mga estudyante, dili na siya nagpasabot na kailangan ma-major to sa mga estudyante ang expectation sa teacher. Basically, sometimes the students will going to somehow not meet the expectation of the teacher. Basically, ang pinapasabot ani sa part sa teacher no is for the teachers to believe sa ilahang mga estudyante. Right, Kanilin? Yes. No? Kanang pasabot dili ang teacher is to believe sa ilaha. Kanang naisalit ang teacher sa ilaha ba? And also no, kanang dili kanang how should I say this? Kanang mag-create ang teachers of expectations or goals na challenging but not impossible to meet. Right, Marielle? Would you agree? Yes. Thank you, Marielle. Now, the second one is the teacher keeps students on track. Doesn't mean nga nag-self-directed learning sila. Right, Janine?
Yes.
No? Dili nagpasabot nga nag-self-directed learning sila is pasagdanan mo sila. Okay? It basically means na nakakadira to guide them. No? I-guide mo sila sa ilang journey sa self-directed
Learning.
very good. Okay. The third one is activity sheets or modules are developed in a step-by-step method using simple language to ensure the learner's independent learning. This could also means that, let's say, using simple language. Tahay, lisod ko ito ka ng word nimo kay very complex na, kunya ang imuhang gitudloan kay grade 1, grade 2, o grade 3. Niabot na ka sa pneumono ultramicroscopic soluble fluid. Right? Is it applicable? No. I'm not saying na tanan learners is dili lang nakasabot ato. No? Dili tanan. But most, you should also consider those struggling learners. So basically, dapat pantay ang imuhang language ana kanang dili siya, let's say, dili siya sayon, but ikuba siya lisod. Yes. Okay, Miss Jamaica, you're saying something.
Simplify language.
Please stand up.
Kung ako kasabot ka ng simplify language strategy para sa mga bata. Simplify language.
Simplified language. A round of applause for Miss Jamaica. Okay. That is actually correct, no? So now let's proceed to the fourth one. The materials have been carefully chosen and ready for use. This means that in self-directed learning, each of the students that are in different grade level requires different types of materials. And those materials should be age appropriate, like cultural appropriate also. Basically, kanang mga materials na gamiton nimo is dapat easy to use and also appropriate sa each grade level. Kaya lain pud no nga, mo kay ginatawag nga differentiation. Lain pud kaayo if ang module sa grade 1 di pa answer nimo sa grade 3. Is it applicable, guys? No. Ate Eva, what is like that? No, very good, Ate Eva. Now, the fifth one, or the last one, should I say, enough time is given to the students to complete the activity. No? Since this is self-directed learning, basically it requires adequate time. Need nila of time to accomplish tasks. No? Nanadali ang adjustments, especially considering na different grade levels ang tutuloan. So, that would be all. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, so here numbers during pandemic time, so yung ang format of directed learning. So, start din na siya first sa objectives. No? Here, mag-set your objectives kung sa target mo para ano nga lesson. Then, followed by 4A's nga format. Activity. Okay? So, imuha sang i-ready ang mga bata to an activity kaya natin mo nga related siya sa imuha lesson. Then, after sa activity, analysis. So, sa analysis is good introduction with your activity. It could be a form of questions, pwede question, or pwede i-discuss mo, pero pagkatiyaw lang, and then nagagawin mo ang questions gihapon. And then, next is discussion. Asa mo sa discussion? Yes, discussion or natin na presentation or discussion sa imuhang lesson. Okay, next. Yes, evaluation. Evaluation, mga activities. Okay, moving on. And then, after that, evaluation, and then evaluation. Okay? So, yun na siya for learning. Example na, usually, nakita mo na siya kung lifelong learning, homeschool, mga bata na homeschool. Na na siya, nakita mo na siya sa ating professional development, so, mas estimate kasi. So, okay. So, there, type of learning. So, ano pa makita na to? Tama mo sa learning. Digital base, for example, ang estudyante. What else? Pwede, kung ang estudyante is nanganak siya, pwede nanganak siya na going into the eskwela, and then pwede kung nanganak siya na yun. So, pwede nga i-consular. Pwede. Ito na siya, pwede na siya rest ang iyang lawas, pwede na ang estudyante yung wala sa eskwelahan. Possible ba si sa learning sa multi-grade?
For me, ma'am, possible siya, pero not siya disadvantage. Dahil since, again, ma'am, first, ma-mention na yung disadvantage and self-directed learning is ang kalisod ng complexity. Dahil, imagine, lahat ang kuan, lahat ang pag-interpret sa mga, let's say, modules. sa each of the students niya. Like, and also ma'am, sa part of the teacher, syempre, siya man ang mag-modules that another, ano po ma'am, kanang, yes, another, sa resources, possible po ma'am, kasi limited naman ang resources. And